The shop floor mobile flow is working with the Windows user and a resource to run. And it's a combination of those two that combines the setup per user and the way you'll log into the system. So if you enter the shop floor, mobile flow shop floor in here, right now you can see that it's prompting my resource code. I could enter a resource code here, or I'll log in a pin code if I'm set up with a pin code. That is a secret, of course. So now I'm entering the flow being myself here. I could also change the setup, the mobile flow user setup, and make my Windows user linked to a resource with a fixed link like this. So now I'm logging in as, in this case, myself, of course. So when I'm running the flow like this, it won't prompt me, and it won't prompt me when I enter the runtime here. If I'm not using the fixed resource, it will by default prompt me every time I'm opening a tile. Meaning, if I'm going into the user setup and deselecting this, it will prompt me when I open the overview or the tablet in here for my user code. Maybe I have a plastic card with a pin code I can scan or whatever. And it will also prompt me when I'm registering runtime. Every time I'm logging into something, I'll have to start entering my ID and then moving on if I'm trying to consume quantity. And the reason for this is that you might have a screen, a common screen in the production area where everybody can go over here and do a registration, and then you can ask for their PIN code or their user ID to do the registration for them specifically. In the mobile flow user setup, it's also possible to do all the specific setup for each resource. So going into the list here, you have a resource setup, and we will explain how that is done. So basically the setup for journals and everything is done per resource. So several persons can use the same computer, but still being set up to different location code, different journals, etc.